No, I'll go down.
That's not cool. I'd rather take it in the arse.
Arse? Ready?
I'm already recording.
Hold on. Make sure. Alright, ready?
Oh, nigger!
Do it again!
It hurts. Fucking arse. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck. One more.
Wait!
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
1, 2.
Oh, nigger! Oh, nigger! Oh, God, somebody call the cops. Ow! Ah! Someone call the cops!
Can't see anything.
Fuck! It goes away though. I know. Oh, fuck! Oh God! Oh God! That one hurt.
Trevor, lift up your shirt. Let me see if I can see it.
Lift your shirt up. Turn around. A little light. Right there.
Yep. Shooting each other with BB guns.
I had to do it. I shot everybody else. I had to take one.
Oh, you were yelling?
You know,
Yep.
I yelled, call the cops.
Call the cops.
Alright. Alright, Trevor. How do you feel?
I feel like a perfect human. Shoot me every day of the week. I love it.
How about the moles?